Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're checking out the new Animal Company update. So all I saw was saying that there was a OG bundle. So we're gonna check that out. Ooh, yeah, it's gold. It's a gold boy. So it gives you two golden AC jackets, golden glasses, and an OG hat, and the brand new golden gun. Yo, I might actually just get this. Yo, yeah, I'm gonna save up for that. Okay, so at some point you're gonna see me wearing one of those, probably the hat or something. No, probably like the glasses, because I don't want to take these off. So yeah. What the fleep? What the fleep? What the fleep? Okay. I want to check that out. But, like, I feel like... Hello? Oh! What the heck? Where the flip am I? Oh, I can swim. Where are these? They look like shock waves. Ooh. Wait a second. Ooh. It's like a galaxy. It's a black hole. What? I'm in sewers. I don't know. Wait, this is just the hook shop. This is just the hook shop place. Okay, I'm just gonna jump. Whee! Doink, doink, boom. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's it, but just in case, I want to check. Did they add anything new? The cardboard box is still... It got added to the thing. Oh, this is it. Stash grenade. Harness the power of the stash for a few seconds. So can you put things in your stash from that? Because it's the stash grenade? Like, Okay. That would be it for today. If you were in my fan code helping with the movie, sadly, you're not going to be in it because just a lot of people were just screaming stuff, not participating in stuff. So I'm just going to have it where it's me and my friends and stuff. So yeah. Ooh, there's some people online from that. Okay, so that will be it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more content, okay? I feel like I just heard something. Okay, that'll be it. See ya!